Hi, this is our Ravishankar. In this lecture, I am going to discuss about Internet of Things. In short, it is called IoT. What is IoT? The Internet of Things is a network of physical objects or things embedded with electronics, software, sensors, and network connectivity, which enables these objects to collect and exchange data. IoT allows objects to be sensed and controlled remotely across existing network infrastructures, creating opportunities for more different integration between the physical world and computer based systems and resulting in improved efficiency, accuracy, and economic benefit. Things in IoT sense can refer to a wide variety of devices such as heart monitoring implants, biochip transponders on farm animals, electric clamps in coastal waters, automobiles with built-in sensors, DNA analysis devices for environmental, food, pathogen monitoring, or field operation devices that assist firefighters in search and rescue operations. These devices collect useful data with the help of various existing technologies and then autonomously flow the data between other devices. How IoT works. Internet of Things is not the result of a single novel technology. Instead, several complementary technical developments provide capabilities that taken together help to bridge gap between the virtual and physical world. These capabilities include communication and cooperation, addressability, identification, sensing, acquisition, embedded information processing, localization, and user interfaces. The IoT technology mainly consists of RFID, sensor, smart technology, and nanotechnology. In this, RFID is used to identify and track the data of things. In this, sensor is used to collect and process the data to detect and changes the physical status of things. And in this, smart technology is used to enhance the power of the network by developing processing capabilities to different part of the network. And then for nanotechnology is used to make the smaller and smaller things have the ability to connect and interact with each other. The structure of IoT. The IoT can be viewed as a gigantic network consisting of network of devices and computers connected through a series of intermediate technologies where numerous technologies like RFIDs, wireless connection may act as enablers of this connectivity. In this, RFID is used for tagging things and sensors are used for feeling things, nanotechnology are used for shrinking things, embedded intelligence are used for thinking things. And then the current status and future prospect of IoT is in 2003 the world population is 6.3 billion and the connected devices become 500 million. And by calculating the connected devices per person in 2003 is 0.08. After 2003, when we come for a 2010, the more connected devices than people. Then in 2010, the world population is 6.8 billion, connected devices is 12.5 billion. So the calculative percentage for connected devices per person is 1.84. And then in 2015 it developed as the world population is 7.2 billion, connected devices is 25 billion, and calculatively the connected devices per person become 3.47. And in the year of future of 2020 world population becomes 7.6 billion and connected devices become 50 billion and the connected devices per person is 6.58. By this analysis, I like to convey that the people who lives after 2020 must have more than 6 types of electronic devices in her own packet. I think it's very easy task for current generation peoples because they have so many pockets in a single pant. IoT as a network of network. By considering IoT as a network of network, it includes different type of networks like transport, education, business, home, air, energy. This kind of individual networks are connected together with security, analytics and management, and this will allow IoT to become even more powerful in what it can help people to achieve. Knowledge management through IoT. Knowledge management through IoT is come from the analysis of data. The data is converted into an information, and then the information is converted into a knowledge. Information is connected into knowledge, and then it will become understanding, and it will become a wisdom to the people. Less importance is given to the data and more importance is given to the wisdom. It gives benefit to humanity. The more data that is created, the better understanding and wisdom people can obtain. Future of IoT. What happens when 50 billion machines become connected? Consider a scenario in this 50 billion machines like real-time network planning, shipping visibility, hospital management, hospital optimization, intelligent medical devices, logistic optimization, factory optimization are all together connected in an industrial internet as a one. It will become IoT is virtualized, analytics become predictive, employees increase productivity, machines are self-healing and automated, monitoring and maintenance is mobilized. Applications of IoT. The ultimate goal of IoT is to automate human life. Few applications of IoT are building and home automation, manufacturing, medical and healthcare systems, media, environmental monitoring, infrastructure management, energy management, transportation, educational system, better quality of life for elderly. Right. Internet of Things is the next stage of information revolution and reference the interconnectivity of everything from urban transport to medical devices to household appliances. Integration with the internet implies that devices will use an IP address as a unique identifier. However, due to limited address space of IPv4, which allows for 4.3 billion unique addresses, objects in the IoT will have to use IPv6 to accommodate the extremely large address space. Objects in the IoT will not only be devices with sensory capabilities but also provide acquisition capabilities like example, bulbs or locks in a home are controlled over the internet. IoT application scenario, for example, we are having IoT application scenario from shopping complex. When we entering the doors, the scanners will identify the tags on her clothing. Second, when shopping in the market, the goods will introduce themselves. Third, when moving the goods, the reader will tell the staff to put a new one. Fourth, when paying for the goods, the microchip of the credit card will communicate with checkout reader. If you want to know more about yourself, like where you are going, who you are interacted with, how long you have spoken to friends, the affinity of connections, how long it takes to get work, the tone of your message, the amount you text, fit or update, how much exercise you are getting, how much you get distracted is given you by IoT in fraction of seconds. Technical challenges of IoT become at present IoT is faced with many challenges such as scalability, technological standardization, interoperability, discovery, software complexity, data volumes and interpretation, power supply, interaction and short range communication, wireless communication, fault tolerance likewise. In summary, Internet of Things is only tip of an iceberg. Thank you.